Entering names into the internet is one way to make up to $500 each day. How awesome is that? Welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, I'll teach you how to earn money online by just typing names. Let's now get going. You get an award for entering a single word or name, such as Michael or Boo. The possible earnings from this excellent deal are as follows. You may earn $20 by only entering one page of names. Each day, 5 pages might earn $100, while 20 might earn $400. There are no restrictions, so you can text as much as you want and earn as much as you want. This can be done on a PC or a mobile device. The video shows how to use this website's calculator to figure out how much money you could make from this unusual offer. The per word rate, in this case, 10 cents in US dollars, indicates the potential payment for each word written. Take special note of this number. For example, the first, second, and third pages of this typing name assignment each contain approximately 300 words. Typing people's names could earn you money. I'll show you how to type 300 words for $20 on a website. I count 300 names as I scroll. Simply typing names into this website could earn you $20 per page. Because we can receive up to 20 pages per day, entering names on this website could easily earn you $400 to $500 per day. Visit talentdesire.com today to begin working from home and earning money for nothing. Start taking advantage of this offer without incurring any expenses or commitments. To find out more about their work from home possibilities, go to the bottom of this page. We'll focus on online typing jobs in this video because they're among the easiest and don't require any specialized knowledge or technical abilities. Numerous services are offered on this website, including online page surveys, freelance blogging, language translation, and job opportunities for online proofreading. Consider the new online typing jobs that have recently become available. Your annual salary could range between $13,500 and $27,500. It's a fantastic way for people all over the world to make money. There are no joining or registration fees, and you will never be asked to contribute. Anyone can benefit from this completely free opportunity. Your skill level, which can range from novice to expert, will now determine your salary. I'm about to share a little-known bonus tip that will more than double your earnings. As you can see, even as a beginner, you can earn professional wages. I'll tell you about the secret plan soon. Before we continue, it should be noted that only a small portion of the viewers of my videos actually subscribe. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing with notifications enabled. It's free, and you can always change your mind afterwards, so that you can be among the first to apply any new and innovative strategies I develop for making money online. I will let you know as soon as I come up with them. I naturally earn the most money as a result. Let's return to the video now. The first additional suggestion for increasing your internet income is to type names. Please finish the free typing test at ratatype.com. Clicking this yellow button will take you to a screen where you may begin typing on your computer or phone. I want you to take the speed typing test since the website will give you a certificate if you pass. A typing certification is necessary because it will increase your page's revenue and sales. For instance, if you wish to be paid $20 for each typed page, you can get this certificate. You can speed up the authorization process, gain access to more high-paying contracts, and explore a variety of career avenues with a typing certificate. This is the most crucial fact. Additionally, typists might earn anywhere between $400 and $500 per day. As you can see, as soon as you start typing on this page, they will start evaluating your accuracy and word per minute rate. You should carefully read the instructions on how to obtain the certificate before submitting your application to talentdesire.com. Precision should be between 98 and 99.99%. If you're more precise, you will earn more money. By passing a typing test, receiving a certificate, and displaying your accuracy and speed on this website, you can quickly increase your payout rate. As shown below, you can complete these exams immediately and receive your certificate in less than 5 minutes. When I'm finished, the results of my typing speed will be posted here. If your typing speed or accuracy is less than 98%, you can return to ratatype.com and retake the typing test as many times as necessary until you improve. Scroll down and click this link to register for a free Radatype account after a successful search. By providing your name, email address, and password, you can create a free account. I'll sign in after making a free Radatype account. I entered my name, email, and password before selecting I accept the terms and conditions. On my dashboard, you can see my name, as well as my typing speed and accuracy results. Scroll down to view my certificate. If I click on the certificate, I'll be taken to this page, where Lauren Smith was recognized for her English typing skills. They will even show you the signature from Radatype.com to confirm the authenticity of the certificate. This certificate will greatly benefit you, and you can expect to be paid significantly more. To receive writing drop-in jobs like this one immediately, keep watching to find out how to register, sign up for, and submit a typing job application on TalentDesire.com. You can print this certificate by scrolling down and selecting the print option. However, certificates can also be printed from computers and mobile devices by simply saving a picture of the certificate or saving it as a PDF file. By clicking the Save button, you can view the real certificate that I obtained for free on the Radatype website. After receiving the certification, you can start looking for employment. The bottom of the page will have a red Apply Now button. Push the switch in. You can start the job application process on this website by clicking here. You can miss the sign-up page on this website if you don't pay attention and watch the complete movie. When you arrive at this page, scroll down and you'll see an application. Click on this red link right here and you'll be taken to a page with an online work-from-home application form. If you can't find the red link that says fill in your details to apply and work with us, re-watch the video. This video can also be saved to a playlist and viewed later. If you scroll down this page, you must provide your personal information. The first step is to accept the privacy statement. Enter your first and last name, email address, and phone number after that. Clicking on the downward pointing arrow reveals that they welcome visitors from all over the world, including Pakistan, the United States, the United Kingdom, India, the Philippines, and Nigeria. The main emphasis of the next stage, which is your professional information, is frequently missed. At the most convenient time for you, write the job title's section's title precisely as it appears above. By using the down arrow below, you may choose any time, but I recommend the full day because it will provide you with more alternatives and opportunities to work, allowing you to make more money online. Finally, by clicking on this downward pointing arrow, you can select the most advantageous method of receiving your profits. PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, or direct deposit. Fill in your full name, check I'm not a robot, and then click the Submit button. Scroll down and click Yes, I've read and accept the above statement, and please sign. Once approved, you'll begin receiving typing tasks like this one, where you could earn $20 for writing 300 words on one page, $20 for writing 300 words on the next page, and so on. You can earn $20 per page typed, but if you want to work every day, you must submit your work on time. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.